Good morning, students. I hope you all are hale and hearty. And welcome to the science class. In today's class, we will do water refraction experiment. So, let's get ready for this. Experiment name is water refraction experiment. Materials: a glass of water, an empty glass, and few graphics with you want to see the changes in this experiment. And you know, students, this water refraction science experiment has such a wow factor and is so quick and easy. So let's get ready for this. Look at this princess direction very carefully, and now keep the glass in front of the princess and start pouring water in it and see the magic. The moment water crosses the princess, it magically changes the direction. Water refraction experiment. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another. In this graphic, what is written? WON. Let's check what it becomes after pouring the water. And the moment water crosses the image, it becomes NOW. Now let's try with number 7. Whether it will change the position or not. And here I poured the water and check what happens. Oh wow! One more magic. Number 7 has got reversed. And what about this arrow, student? Will it change or remain as it is? Here I poured the water and its direction has been changed. Arrow has moved from left to right. Let's try the last graphic. Aeroplane is going in left direction. Let's check what will happen after pouring the water. And the moment water crosses the aeroplane has moved to the right direction. And do you know, students, why all these images are getting reversed? I tell you, in this experiment, the water acts as a magnifying glass. And refraction occurs when light travels from one medium to another. That is, air to water and water to air. During the experiment, the light traveled from the image through the air and then through the glass into the water and finally out of the glass and into the air once more before it reached our eyes. Do try this experiment under your parents' supervision. Thank you for watching the video.